Chapter 5 Secondary Activities, Notes and Summary from Class 12th, Subject Geography, Book Fundamentals of Human Geography. Meaning of secondary activities. These involve the processing and transformation of raw materials into finished goods. Examples: manufacturing, construction, and energy production. Add values to natural resources. Example: cotton to cloth, iron ore to steel. Manufacturing refers to making products using raw materials, ranges from handicrafts to high-tech industries like electronics or aircrafts. Characteristics of modern large-scale manufacturing. First, specialization of labor, mass production using assembly lines. Second, mechanization, use of machines, automated systems increasingly common. Third, technological innovation, research improves quality and efficiency. Fourth, organizational complexity, large investments, skilled management. Fifth, uneven distribution, manufacturing is concentrated in specific global regions. Factors influencing industrial location. First, access to markets, demand and purchasing power matter. Second, raw materials, bulk reducing industries locate near sources. Example: steel. Third, labor supply, skilled, unskilled workforce availability. Fourth, energy sources, earlier coal, now hydro and petroleum. Fifth, transport and communication, crucial for moving inputs and outputs. Sixth, government policy, regional development incentives. Seventh, agglomeration economies, industries clustering for mutual benefit. Footloose Industries, not tied to any specific location or raw material, can locate anywhere with road access, typically non-polluting, small-scale, and tech-based. Example: electronics. Classification of industries. A. By size. Type: cottage, household. Description: done at home by family. Local raw materials. Example: pottery, weaving. Next, small scale. Description: small workshops, semi-skilled labor, low capital use. Next, large scale, mass production, advanced tech, large investment, big workforce. B. By inputs, raw materials. Type: agro-based. Example: cotton, sugar, food processing. Next, mineral-based, iron and steel, aluminium. Next, chemical-based, petrochemicals, synthetic fibers. Next, forest-based, paper, furniture, cloth. Next, animal-based, leather, wool, ivory. C. By ownership. Type: public sector, owned by government. Example: PSUs in India. Next, private sector, owned by individuals or corporations. Next, joint sector, owned by public-private partnerships. D. By output. Type: basic industry. Description: produces goods used in further manufacturing. Example: steel. Next, consumer goods industry. Description: produces goods for direct use. Example: food, soaps, electronics. Next, high technology industry. Uses cutting edge R&D, automation and precision engineering. Located in technopoles. Example: Silicon Valley, Bangalore. Dominated by white collar professionals. Examples: electronics, robotics, aerospace, pharmaceuticals. Next, chapter summary. Secondary activities convert natural resources into usable goods. Modern industries rely on specialization, capital, skilled labor, and technology. Location of industries depends on factors like raw materials, market energy, labor, and transport. Industries are classified based on size, ownership, inputs, and products. High-tech industries are the new face of global manufacturing, often located near metropolitan peripheries. Understanding industrial geography helps in planning and promoting balanced regional development. So friends, we have completed notes and summary of chapter 5, secondary activities. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.